Yes, most definitely.
Yeah.
Just hand tight.
Yeah. They were just falling off.
Got it? Okay, see if it'll still rotate. Okay, so it rotates and it drags on the caliper. So are you done? Are you done for the day?
All right. Hopefully this is gonna
Huh?
go into the car today.
Good for you. Never. I don't ever remember you being home at 5 o'clock, ever. They probably love you. You probably got them all schmoozed. Everything's labeled. All right, Rich. I can just tuck that kind of. Maybe pull that up out of the way. No, the ground strap, so we don't forget it. Oh yeah.
All right. So we just
Ready?
blink it in. You want to spin it
No.
now?
We're gonna rotate it in, but my question is, we might not be able to. You might have to bump it up, Rich.
All right. Oh, the eggs won't go under. No.
Good. Let it down onto that
Onto the
last
slaps?
lock. Yeah. Let's try that right there. See if that clears, Dave. Yes, no? No.
Yeah, no, it's
Better
not.
bump it up.
It's too close for comfort.
Good. Alright, now will this go up?
That
Do
should
we
do
have
it.
more stroke up?
Yes. I do believe. Sure hope so. Might just get anything over that.
Yep. You guiding? Okay. So if I come up a little bit and we just keep rotating, right?
Yeah.
Talk to you. I think we're alright.
Yeah.
You can just hold that up just long enough for me to.
Easy. Alright, hold that.
Holding that.
Right about the firewall there.
Okay, so this is where we need to start cranking this thing. Go ahead, Dave.
Tilt to whirl. This way?
We want to bring this guy this way, whatever it takes.
Alright.
Okay.
What is popping? I know these. It's
It's
jumping.
jumping link. It's the
As
links
it's
are
rotating
adjusting.
here, as it's rotating on these
It's-
two links.
I think we're okay.
Oh,
Oh, it's
it's
sliding
this
along
sliding along here.
there. Oh, this here.
Yeah.
The big red 15 is having a
Go ahead.
little bit of a problem.
Yeah, actually, it would be nice to have. Where's your zoom spot?
Towards.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
step on this.
Yep. Tell me when and when to stop. We're not really centered up
Hold
here
that.
too
Oh,
well.
that's all right.
I mean, we're
Rich.
kind of at a. I mean, we could lift the car up about.
I
2
want
or
to bump
3
the car
inches.
up, but I'm thinking I really like to have that fan off. But we'll see here.
We bump the car up a little bit.
Probably be a good idea.
Yes. Can you bump the car up a little bit?
Bump
Again. 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 Hold that. Going in a little. Again. Again. Good. Hold that.
I think we might need to center it up, bring it this way a little bit.
So we're out of stroke here.
Yeah, we
We
are.
really should have this out another click. Hoping we're not gonna get screwed here. Coming your way, Dave. I'm gonna kick the feet your way. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Good.
Good. Perfect.
Okay. I want to let this down now, and that'll allow this to grow.
Easy.
I'm gonna get that.
No, I'm thinking of this region.
Yeah, I'm
Those
just coming-
things are a little sketchy.
Sketchy.
Lucky you've done this before. Nice.
Oh, wait a minute. Let's get this off here. That's a perfect. Let's catch stuff
we don't
with
want
it.
that. But now we're gonna lose it. So
I'm gonna put it right here on this towel so it gets wrapped up and thrown in the wash.
lose it.
All right, coming down again. You
Yep.
ready?
That is beautiful. All right, hold that. We need to go in somehow.
Not gonna happen. We're gonna be against the front bumper here. I can give you an inch.
I need about 10.
We need reach. Are we allowed to?
Half ton. What's that thing weigh?
This assembly?
Yeah.
This is probably 700 pounds. Wouldn't you think?
Yeah, with the tranny.
Less than
Yeah.
1,000 though.
Oh, well, yeah. Well, you're not anywhere near the limit.
So it's just.
Dang. All right.
Yeah, it's not gonna
Yeah,
happen.
I don't think.
I think it'll go.
Really?
No. Well, I don't want to try it.
So,
It's the only other thing we could do. Let's push on that. Both you guys. You push on that side. You push on that side. I just want to see how close we can get. Watch your nuts, Dave.
oh yeah. The fan though.
All right, stop. That's good. Let it rest right there. Let's get that fan off there. 13 gear. 13 gear wrench. Your wire just dropped down.
It almost lasts.
You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
All right. So now,
Undo the tilt-a-whirl now.
yeah, the tool needs to change a little bit here.
Reel it back up.
Yeah, as much as you can.
Yep, and that's gonna actually start drawing it that way, which is gonna help.
That's good.
That's all they're grunting for. All right, hold up a minute. Somebody push on the engine so I get my hand out.
Oh,
Yeah, I know. All right, then you
Dang.
go slow because it's wanting to walk it this way while it's.
yeah.
We
The
hit.
pan might just be resting on the
I
power
wondered what
steering.
we're hitting there.
You know, we have a long ways to go to those motor mounts too.
Yeah.
So I wonder if we're going to be able to do it with this arm.
Go ahead and run the tilt. Or we're back to flexing again. Go ahead and run the tilt whirl a little. All right, hold that. I gotta let this down a little. As you're doing that, we've gotta let this.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Yep, perfect. I'm gonna let this down.
Whoa! What was that? What let go?
The chain rigging there. We still hooked here?
Yeah.
This one let go. Okay, I'm coming up a little. You clear?
Yep. Would it break the bolt or what happened?
I don't know
I don't know what that was rigged on.
Okay, can you get that thing out of the way, Dave?
This?
Yeah, or not. It's gotta come up. It's gotta come up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right, now back to. Let me pick this up. We're on that. See that power steering line? We're on it. Hang on. Don't push it towards Dave. Coming up. Tell me when we're past it.
Yep.
Okay. Now, can we go back any at all?
Go back.
All right. So what's gonna have to happen here?
As
We're
you
gonna
go
have to
down,
push on this
Yeah.
to get past. You got it?
Yep.
You ready? Coming down. Watch that firewall. Yes, that way. Yep. Go with it. All right. Rich's socket's on the ground, I think. Yeah.
Oh, they fall.
It's right there.
Oh.
All right, hold that. Hold that. All right. That's good for a second, Dave. Let me try picking up on this.
All right.
Watch your bolt. You ready? I'm going up.
Yep. That's plenty.
Are you guys? Can you guys go back? Are you clear over there? Can we do this?
The bolt, there
It's
it is.
in.
It's in.
How close are we over here?
We're just gotta go down.
Okay, stay clear.
Yep, you're in.
Awesome. Whoa.
That doesn't want to work.
So can we bolt that transmission as the member?
See ya.
All right.
All right, so let's pull this.
Is that hose trapped in there, or is that
It
the
is
way
for a
it's supposed
minute.
to be? Okay.
So we get the transmission up. At this point, unhook that. Hold that. I'll run up to one more lock hits. Clear back here. Do it again. Again. I can't see. Let me stand on this thing with wheels. Your Milwaukee.
Are there nuts on the studs down there for this?
Yeah.
Yes. Does your Milwaukee have a
Somebody was very well organized.
three
Look
driver for
like
your
this.
Milwaukee?
Perfect.
Grab it, please. I seen the bolts over in a baggie over here when I was taking a leak earlier. Get that on the GoPro there, Joel?
Yes, I did.
Good job.
We'll leave that in.
Okay. The
Nothing
It
gets
said transmission cross. There was a baggie that said transmission cross member bolts. but
I
we're-
got new ones, the ones that are on there.
I got the nuts here, but I need the bolts
Oh,
to
you
go
need the
up in
bolts? Okay.
the body.
Okay.
body bolts, the one in bag number 6739497-437. Yeah, that's the one. Is that the right part number? Can I see your spreadsheet, please?
It's on the spreadsheet.
Well, that's what I hear, but
You ain't gonna believe it till you see it, right?
right. That part is almost too clean to put underneath the car.
You got some fasketers for me? Thanks, man. You're a gem. Joel, I mean, if you were doing this stuff, wouldn't you plug these in? I mean, I would.
Oh
I
yeah,
don't understand. I mean, I thought we were gonna hear this thing run today, and he doesn't even have this stuff
Well,
plugged
you
in.
know, I don't know. I'd have it all plugged in by now.
I would too.
And but you know, everybody has their own way to do stuff.
I guess.
You know.
No.
9/16.
You never did find that drain, did you?
Nope. Never did.
That's amazing.
It truly